Hey guys, it's me again, Big Bandit 007. I'm here on location in San Diego, California.
We paint bikes, Big Mac Customs.
Now why am I in San Diego, California? Look, I love my fans, my subscribers. I'm here to see what the West Coast bike scene is like. And for my faithful subscribers, I kept all the emails that you guys sent me. Hey, here's a treat for you.
I saw Big Bandit on YouTube and doing candy paint jobs and candy marble paint jobs. I figured I could do it myself too.
Ooh, I see the flake. I see the flake. Look for him on YouTube. Big Bandit 007.
I know I haven't been sending any videos out, but I've been getting something prepared for you guys that's gonna kind of blow your mind away. We got the bike shop coming, so guess what? I'm gonna show you how to paint your bike, but if you don't want to, we'll paint it for you. It's gonna be really exciting. Again, make sure you watch, learn, and subscribe. Big Bandit 007.
We paint bikes, Big Mac Customs.
Remember, watch, learn, subscribe. Big Bandit 007.